I will schedule 35 meetings with this sales nav play. It's called Pokemon Gotta Refer 'em. Aw, gotta refer 'em. Aw. All right, no more saying, but this isn't just another LinkedIn strategy. It's a game changing approach that's perfectly timed for the event season. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how I plan to use Sales Navigator to generate a flood of high quality referrals so that when I go to the events, I have meetings already set. So, with that being said, let's dive right into this LinkedIn booking machine. So, step number one is we're going to go to Sales Nav because that's where we normally go here. And we are going to go and find our job titles. Now, what I like to do is a Boolean search. That's what I do in this process. You can do whatever you want. And so I have a thing called demand one. And essentially, this is all the marketing titles I go after because I'm selling influencer marketing services. Now, the thing here is most sales reps waste hours and hours of scrolling irrelevant profiles and time without actually putting in this Boolean search. So now this allows me to collect everyone that I'm looking for, right? And if you want to go more granular, which is what I do, I'm like, look, I only want to talk to director level and above. So I'll put all these titles in here. Okay, so now it goes down to about 900,000. So now I have the key decision makers that I'm looking to get in front of that I want to talk to. Step number two is I use connections to find referral sources. So here I'm going to click connections of. So this is just anyone that you have, let's say, for example, that is a customer, et cetera, you want to put here. At the end of the day, yo, like I'm in Arizona, but the cold outreach is cold. It's cold enough to make it a little bit less hot than it is now, right? So the thing is, we don't want to do that. Instead of going cold, we want to leverage relationships. So I'm going to find a customer or a client or someone that I would talk to use here to find relevant scenarios. So, for example, what I'm going to do is we work pretty closely with Cognizant. So I would just put Liam here, for example, and I say, okay, cool. You know, Liam, I have a couple people I want to recommend here. Can you help me as I go into the event season? Maybe I'm going to Europe, right? For example. Now, step number three is I'm now going to go find these people that I want to get introduction to. So the cool thing is I could filter this by location. So let's just say EMEA. Okay, I'm going to an event in EMEA, for example. And now I have all the people in EMEA that I could use to potentially get a referral from. So I would scroll through, see who's relevant, etc. For the sake of the video, what we're going to do is we're going to drill into, let's say, Paula, for example. So what I would do is I would click this, and you see it already has a lot of things it's already saved to. This is just the LinkedIn one. But what I would do is I go down here and I say, okay, create a new list. And this list would be event season 2024. And we save this list. And let's save more people just so you can see what this looks like. So again, I'll just save some people here. Okay. So now that we have these people saved, the next step that we're going to take, again, save, is we're going to go to the lead list. Now, the thing is, where most people go wrong from a rep standpoint is they're not keeping track of the people they're looking in front of. So it ends up being a massive failure. So here I have all these people saved. And now it's very simple. I'll move this over here so you can see the names. It's going to be very simple for me now to go to Liam and say, hey, I like a referral to these people. More importantly, as well, I can track all activity that's in here and I don't have to do anything crazy. And it's really simple for me to take notes on these on who I've asked for a referral with or not. So implement this 3-step process strategy right now. If you are a founder, a sales rep, if you're a revenue professional looking to make money, this is what you should be doing in the event season. Pokemon, gotta refer them all. Happy prospecting, everyone. And we'll see you in the next video. And comment below if you found this to be helpful.